Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So from the same AP lesson, arithmetic progressions, I am going to solve another type of questions that will be the finding sum actually. So many students will think that problems will be very tough, but it's not that much tough actually. If you understood the concept, this was a very simple and easily you can score for 2 marks. So this also will come 2 marks for the final 10 public exams. So dear students, if you concentrate and you practice very well, easily you can score 2 marks actually. Okay, so now I'll go to finding the sum actually. So I'm going to finding the sum of nth terms. Sum actually previous questions I have solved. If you want, I'll check here. See, a 10th term, here sum is not mentioned in these questions, but see here in this question what happened actually, they are mentioned sum. So when in AP is given, sequences are given and sum is given, directly you write the formula Sn is equal to n divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Nothing difficult is there actually, only formula is different and everything you have to identify same. That was a is how much, n is how much, d is how much. So you have to identify. If you identify a and d, then what happens? Substitute, then simplify actually. Okay, so it was very easy actually. Just listen carefully. Dear students, listen here. Actually, the thing is, while studying, don't by heart maths actually. Okay, maths is not the by heart subject. So you have to understand the concept. Then it was very easy and easily you can score. Actually, maths is a very scoring subject. We can say maths is a scoring subjects. We can say actually. Okay, so now just identify n. Yes, see, sum of 20 terms. See, together terms, right? It is mentioned 20. So just identify n is how much actually. In front of n you write 20. This is a question mark, dear students. Then you have to identify a. A is how much actually? See, a is first term actually. A is what? First term. So how much? A is 5 is given. Okay. Then D. You have to find D. So D, how you can find? Second term minus first term. So what is second term? Let's see here. This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. Like that it is going to continue. Dot dot means continuation. So second term is what here? 10. So I'll write 10 minus, then what is the first term here? 5. So 10 minus 5 is how much actually? 5. That's it. Now directly substitute into the formula. Okay, it is a 2 marks questions. For the final exam, if you write the formula, you will get half marks. Okay, then substitution also you will get half marks. So n is how much actually? So 20 divided by, and see in the denominator 2 is there, then 2 into a is how much here? See, 5 is there, then symbol is plus, n is how much here? Write that when 20, then what is the symbol here? Minus 1, and d how much did you got? 5. So see, for writing the formula half marks, for this one, what? Substituting half marks. So you will get 1 marks here. Actually it is a 2 marks question. For substitution you will get, and formula of substitution of, so totally 1 marks here. After that, okay, simplification will go for 1 marks. For the simplifications 1 marks. Now you just identify. See, 20 divided by 2, this you can simplify, right? 20 and 2, it will go in the same table. Which table? 2 1s are, 2 10s are. Okay, then you write here 10. And 2 5s, how much can anyone say? Okay, 10. Very good. 2 5s is how much? 10. Then plus, inside the bracket what is there? That you have to check first. 20 minus 1. So 20 minus 1 is how much? 19. Then bracket is nothing but multiplications over, I think. So write 10 as it is. Now see, don't make mistake. As my previous video I said, you shouldn't add it 10 plus 19. So what you have to do, you have to multiply first 19 into 5. So can anyone say 19 into 5 is how much? 95. Very good. Okay, 10 write as it is. So 95 will be the answer. If you want, I'll multiply and show 19 into 5. 5 9s are 45. 4, 5 ones are 5, 95. Okay, now what you have to do? See the bracket. Bracket inside what symbol was there here? Plus. So you have to add this one. 95 plus 10. So can anyone say 95 plus 10 is how much? 95 plus 10 is how much? 105. So how much? So bracket, again bracket is the same multiplication. Then you have to multiply. How? 105, or you have to multiply how much? 10. For 105 you have to multiply 10. So how much will be the answer? 1050 will be the answer. Then sum of 20 term is how much actually? 1050. See, dear students, one thing you have to remember. So while writing the final answer, right, you have to make a box like this, because you are going to highlight your answer actually. So put the box like this. Okay. Okay, just I'll show the video from the beginning once. See clearly. Okay, if any doubt is there, you can contact me or you can message me. Already I posted my number in the descriptions box. Okay, so I'll give us some questions. Okay, I think this is a homework. So I'll write 10, 20, 30, find sum of 50 terms. Sum of 50 terms. It is a sum of 50 terms. Next, one more questions. 15, 25, 35. Find sum of 10 terms. Find sum of 10 terms. Okay. Go through this. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. You can message me.